Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made my new track, Man by Tomorrow. So the track sounds like this.
Don't mind, cause they already know that you're mine by tomorrow, yeah. Mine by tomorrow, yeah.
So now we're gonna dive into the project. As you can see, it's full of loops. Actually the final lead of the drop is a loop sounding like this. So it all started with this loop. Then I flipped it, put it up one octave, sounding like this. And then we did a mix down on it. So actually we completely flipped the sample. Without effects, it sounds like this. So first of all, we cut out all the lows. Then we add some OTT with 38% on it. And then some distortion to really make it more aggressive, as you can hear. Then we cut off more lows to make it more clean. And then we add some more drive to the sound to make it more aggressive again. And then some low cutting. We did some of the mids as well, because it's quite resonating, and we boost the highs. And then we add some reverb and delay. So then the guitar sample changes from this to this way more aggressive lead. Then we dive into the kick drum with a really punchy kick. It's really aggressive as well. Then we added typical moombahton snares. So we got this rhythm. Then I added this 808. It's a serum preset. Just really simple. There's no effects on it as well. Only a kickstart. Then I added another drum loop just to make more groovier drum fill. Some bird effects to really fill it up. And then some cashmere alarm sounding like this. You can barely hear it, but it really makes a difference. Then I added this brass sounding like this. Really fills up the drop with and without. So for the brass, got a low cut, some more drive, some more EQing, and a reverb delay and a kickstart. So then we already have this, but it's still quite empty, so by this focus shots and this fix. Then we added some crashes and more focus shots to really give some more movement to the drop. And to the second part of the drop, added this yeah percussion. It's a sort of hi-hat loop. And added some vocal ambience as well to it. And then the last element of the drop is this groovy hi-hat. It's sampled from another track I made, so that's why it's a loop as well. As you can hear, this will really add some more groove to the sound. And that's what I did for the drop. So now let's dive into the breakdown. So the purpose of the breakdown was to keep it really Latin. I got these two guitar sample loops, sounding like this. Then the first thing I did is mix it without effects. It sounds like this, way more acoustic, so I cut off some lows, compressed it, and cut off some highs as well, just to make room for the other guitar, sounding like this. It's the same loop as in the drop, but it's completely processed different, so got some distortion, some EQ and some reverb. So after that, added some more scenes to fill it up. A little step in the background, a pad, some more plugs. Sounding like this, you can barely hear it. Then I added the same bass line as in the drop. And same for the brass step. Sounding like this. So then it was time to add some drums with this rhythm some more snares, and a leading kind of kick. Then the same piano as in drop, some drum fills, some bird elements, and some more ambient sound to fill it up a bit more. That's it for the breakdown. So altogether, it's a really simple track, but it works really well with all the elements combined. So that's it for the breakdown of the track. I really hope you like the track. And if you like the video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And see you all next videos.